Good afternoon. My name is Ravi, and this is my colleague Madhvi. Customer XPS is a banking products company. We are into extreme real-time intelligence. We have a product called Clarify, which is a real-time, inference engine. It works faster than the banking systems and tries to infer, connect the dots of various structured and unstructured information. Some of the largest banks are using this for fraud, cross-sell, upsell, attrition management in real time. I am going to focus on a sub-module of this product, which is for the relationship managers. What we have done is we have married this customer state machine of ours with context-aware multimodal mobile platform. So let me get into the product. First, let me show you the boring things. So we have a application. So here, a relationship manager can see his meetings, his targets, his intelligent messages, the best next products, and all the other things, calendars, reminders, and so on. Okay? Let's elevate this to the next level. I'm a relationship manager who is always on the field. Incidentally, I have a customer, Nicole, who has been traveling for some time. I wonder when I will be able to connect to this customer next. Oh, I have a real-time alert. Nicole is back from her trip. How does a bank know that she's back from her trip? Now, this is interesting. Let me launch the application. And yeah, I have an alert. Okay. So I have the entire information, including her preferences, likes, and so on. These are different kind of likes and dislikes. I have the next set of questions that I should ask and the contextual products that I can sell to her. Okay. Now, how do I do this? The system is threading to multiple information and creating a customer state there. Incidentally, she would have swiped her card the moment she landed in Singapore, and my inference engine would have connected the dots and done that. Okay. I have one more. What you didn't see is the second alert. This is again real time. You know what? This is urgent. I need to be actionizing that very quickly. She has landed in Singapore and she has withdrawn a huge amount. And the system has inferred and said, there is a potential churn problem here. Okay? Because this is the first thing she does after a long time. So let me try to actionize this. Anyway, it's multimodal. I can talk to her in multiple modes. Here, I will try to send an email to her. Okay? All the details, hi Nicole, how are you? And let me try to figure out the context. I will send it to her. Fair enough. She has reverted, and so far so good. Let me go back. Now, I as a relationship manager, I feel empowered. I am the first person to know whenever a real-time actionable intelligence, happens on behalf of my customers. This is, very important to me. I am the first person to know. Sorry, I have a problem here. Ethan, this is a big problem. Ethan, there is a non-sufficient funds in his account, and if I can actionize this, I have about 2 minutes to clear it up. So let me launch it. Not sufficient funds in Ethan's account. Interesting. Contextually, a new product has been created, which is the TOD overdraft product, and these are the kind of questions I should be asking him. Good. Multimodal. Let me connect to Ethan. Okay. Okay, no problem, So I will disconnect that. Let me come back. So it's incidentally, I have talked to Ethan, and I want some actionable from him. So I'm going to send him a document which he needs to sign and send it back to me. So I'm going to load the check product, and that has all the necessary documentation. I'm going to share the screen. Depending on the device and my make of the device, I should be able to do that. And he needs to sign it and send it back to me. So he's going to sign it and send it back to me. Okay. So far so good. Okay. So interesting. Good. So now I am sitting here in this expo center. Let me try to figure out who are the customers near this place. This is interesting because I need to schedule those meetings. So I will go to the customers tab. Okay. And yeah, these are the customers around this area. Good. Now, incidentally, she is a loans expert. So I would rather talk to customers who have shown loan potential. Let me try this if it works. Home loan customers. Okay. Sorry, my mistake. Okay. So I sort it down by, I have the voice commands with me. I can sort it down and go back and specifically focus on those customers. Right? This was a quick demo as to what we wanted to achieve. How this is possible? It is not just a skin running on a backend application. No, we have a customer state machine which is factoring all intelligence. For example, a large bank like ICICI, 15 million customers, 80 million accounts. We are working faster than all these systems, and we are able to interpret every transaction in absolute real time. Okay? And that's the power, is one side of the story. Second, merge it with a platform which is able to bring the contextual real-time relevance in terms of the mobile and other devices that the customer holds. In summary, this is what we call is real-time relationship management, extreme real-time relationship management in Gangnam style. Thank you.